So we've got the drone up for the firework display. So here we go. It's the first time I've ever done this, so I don't know if I'm going to be close enough. Oh shit! Oh crap! What happened there? Since moving to Malaysia around about 3 years ago, I've been exploring all the different cultures and religions and celebrating some of the festivals which go on within the year here in Malaysia. Today we are celebrating Chinese New Year, and today we're going to go and have a look to see if we can see any of the festivities that are going on even though we are in lockdown. Now at midnight last night we did see some of the fireworks going off. They all go off at midnight and they're supposed to scare away all the evil spirits and the diseases of the year. Hopefully they'll be scaring away some viruses as well. That would be superb. But today guys, unfortunately I do believe that there won't be any line dances going on because we are in lockdown, but we are going to go out and see if we can find some festivities which may be going on within the local area. So guys, Chinese New Year, this year is the year of the ox. Last year was the year of the rat. Now I was speaking to a friend of mine who is Chinese, and he was saying to me, he said that basically because it was the year of the rat, that's why there was the virus and the disease, and because rats aren't that great. He said this year, because it's the year of the ox, this year is going to be a much better year because oxes are big and strong. That was his sort of like look on things, which was really nice to hear from his side of things. And hopefully he's right. Hopefully we're going to get rid of this virus thing and we can all have a great time, and 2021 can be amazing. Now rather than driving around like a lunatic for the next sort of like 3 hours, I figured I'm just going to look online to see what is going on. Now there's a place called Sunway Big Box which is around about 5 minutes away from my house. So we're going to go there, have a look, see what's going on, and basically just sort of see the celebrations of what can be celebrated within MCO or lockdown, whatever you're calling it, wherever you're from. So yeah, let's just go. So the first place we've come into is Sunway Big Box, which like I said is about 5 minutes away from my house. And we're gonna just basically go and see if they've got any decorations, see if they've got anything going on for Chinese New Year. So what's this for?
This is for redemption, which is if customers spend 388 and above, they can get toys.
Okay, cool.
The ox. Ang-pao. How do you get the
So
ang-pao?
The ampao is like this.
Right, so this is a wishing tree. It's basically, these will be wishes. People's, I don't want to touch them, but these will be people's wishes. So people just put one of these onto the tree and make a wish, and that's like for the new year. So all the gold underneath here as well is for like prosperity and good luck, and with good luck comes gold and money and stuff like that. So there wasn't quite the celebrations I wanted, but they've got some nice decorations. So we're gonna have a look around elsewhere, see if there's any more decorations and anything sort of celebratory. We are looking for some ang pao. So if you don't know what ang pao is like a sort of envelope where you put money in it and you gift it to people. So we're going to try and find some of that, and we're going to put some money in it and to give to our neighbours who are all celebrating Chinese New Year. So I found these. I don't actually know what they're for. With the fresh energy of another year, be the best version of yourself and achieve your goals. That goes to everyone, including myself. It's not that we put the money in. The guy's gone as well to help, oh well. It's a real shame we're in lockdown because I would love to be able to show you some of the proper celebrations. I'm doing my best with the decorations and sort of trying to explain a little bit about the Chinese New Year to the people that watch this and don't know anything about it. I'm sort of learning as we go as well, so it's kind of nice to share what I'm learning with you guys. But we are going to go find and see if we can see any more decorations or sort of any sort of celebrations on top of this. Nothing to do with Chinese New Year, but there's two cats sat in that car. Guys, I'm just going to stop really quickly in the middle of the video. So basically, I've been looking at the analytics of my videos, and only 21.2% of you are actually subscribed to the channel, which means 78.8% of you are not even subscribed to the channel. Guys, I love making these videos. I love my audience. I try and engage with you guys as much as I possibly can with the comment section and stuff like that. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hit 1,500 subscribers by the middle of the year. That's my target, and I really appreciate if you guys could help me get to that target. But anyway guys, let's continue with the video. So the next place we're going to is, it's like another shopping place. It's like where the supermarket is, but they've got outside the shop, they've got normally some stuff. So we're gonna have a look, see if they've got any more decorations there. We're gonna go into the shop as well and sort of look at the Chinese New Year deals, because they've got like different things for the prices for Chinese New Year. So again, they've not really got a lot. This is sort of what they've got here. Again, it's the gold, the Happy New Year, the ox. The ox is such a good thing to have for New Year. It's like such a magnificent beast. This guy's celebrating Chinese New Year, having a feast. Hello mate. Found a little place here which has got some food, so we're going to go and get something to eat here from the Chinese New Year setup, I think. Some sort of celebration, I suppose. It's better than nothing. Thank you. Right, so we've got my chicken. Stopping for a quick Starbucks. So it's turning out to be near on impossible to try and find Ang Pao, but we have stopped for a quick Starbucks just to get me through the next few hours. So yeah, for Chinese New Year, basically, it's been real shame because there's no celebrations and none of the really cool stuff which I'd love to show you. But we are going out and having a look at the decorations and talking a little bit about what Chinese New Year is about. I'm learning just as quickly as you guys are learning, so I'm learning on the go as well, which is quite enjoyable. My wife knows more about it because obviously she works at Legoland, so she has to deal with Chinese New Year celebrations every single year, and she's worked with it all. So you're learning with me. As usual, she said she didn't want the caramel frappuccino, and then she said she didn't want one, so she's drinking mine. Thanks for that. So we've not been able to find any Ang Pao, which is really annoying because we'd love to be able to give our neighbours some, but I only just found out as well that it's really bad luck to give 4. So if you're going to give money within the Ang Pao, which you give to the people, the luckiest number you can give is 8. So the smallest amount of number you should really give is 8. Obviously you can go up to 28, 38, 40, 48, 58. Apparently the best number you can put in there is 88, or if you're really rich, 888. But yeah, we can't find any Ang Pao. It's really annoying me because I'd love to be able to give the neighbours some. So we found a place we can buy Ang Pao, but you got to spend 38 ringgit in the shop, so we just got to go and buy something for 38 ringgit, again with the 8. Then we can go and get some cash out, and then we can give the neighbours some Ang Pao, which would be really nice. We got it, it was like 75 cents, and no one carries cents around in Malaysia because like it's ridiculous, nothing costs less than a ringgit. But I mean that was 75 cents. And I got 70, he let me away with 70. Now the last part of this day is to go and get some cash, and we're also going to go into the last little shop here and look at the decorations. Then we're going to get some cash to give to the neighbours in the envelopes.
like you toss it all together and they all wish for what they want that year.
Just found some more of the ang pao, but these are like 5 ringgit, 6 ringgit, so we got ours for 75 cents. So either we've got a bargain or the guy in the shop didn't really know what he was doing and just sort of gave them for us for 75 cents. Right, I got the ringos, got the ringgits for the ang pao to give to the neighbours. Now we just need to go home. I need to edit this video and give the neighbours a little bit of a gift for Chinese New Year to show that we're good neighbours. So, like I was saying with the ang pao, it's bad luck to give the number 4. So actually, if you come to Malaysia and you look at like elevators and stuff, you'll never see the number 4 because number 4 means death. So we're gonna give them 8 because 8 is good luck. So we've got 5 and 6, 7, 8. So it doesn't seem like a lot of money, but I think it's the whole gift giving idea, which is the nice part. So we've got one for one neighbor. For the next neighbor, we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 for the other neighbor, 2, and the third one for the other neighbor, and 3. So we've got our 3. We're going to go and give them to the neighbors now and say Happy New Year. So you have to actually close the ang pao before you give it, and you've also got to give it with 2 hands. So I can't hold the camera while giving it, so Ella's gonna give them the ang pao. Yeah, well, you've got 2 hands available.
Not the way. No, actually, you just give 2 Mandarin orange, so we should just say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you guys as well.
Last time I tried to give back.
Try to take a firework.
So we gave the ang pao to the neighbor, and they've given us some oranges. Now apparently with this, when you're gifting oranges, it's good luck to always do even numbers as well. So they've given us 2 oranges, which is really, really kind. And the guy also said that he'll be setting off some fireworks tonight, so it'll be really cool if I can try and put the drone up while the fireworks are going off. Last night I had a bit of a nightmare with the fireworks and the drone, so I tried to throw the drone up for the midnight fireworks, which are a lot further away but you couldn't really see. But as you can see what's happening right now, obviously I got some nice footage of the drone, with the drone and the fireworks and stuff, but then what happened was I sort of lost battery, so I ended up coming down just in the middle of the houses, like right here, and it managed to land perfectly. Considering all the trees, I literally don't think I could have had more luck with the drone landing where the fireworks were. But yeah, so guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I've learned today and what I've learned throughout my time in Malaysia about the Chinese New Year. So the first thing I want to talk about is the lion dancing. So the lion dancing originated during the Tang dynasty in 1618 to 906 AD. Legend has it that the emperor had a dream one night in which a strange looking animal saved his life. It's also a necessary ritual for businesses during the time of the Chinese New Year for lion dancing, as it evokes good luck for the upcoming year. So that's really interesting, and obviously what I'm learning today, just scratching the surface about Chinese New Year, because there's so much history behind it, and I'm really looking forward to actually learning more about it post this video. The other thing, like I said at the start of the video, is about the fireworks and the firecrackers which get set off at night time. So they'll be getting set off tonight at midnight, and also they get set off midnight last night, and apparently it's to scare away all the diseases and bad spirits and stuff from the previous year, ready for a new year to start. The other thing is, obviously I've told you about the giving money and stuff like that, and how the number 4 means death, so and number 8 means good luck. So that's another amazing thing I've learned today. Guys, if you've got any more information you can share with me, I'd love to know, so please just hit in the comment section. And please just share that with me, that would be amazing. Right guys, so I hope you've learned a little bit today. I've certainly learned quite a lot today, and I've really enjoyed making this video. Obviously being in lockdown, it's really hard to make content at this present time, but I've got loads of really cool ideas in the pipeline, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'd love to get at least 100 likes on this video. That's just minimum. So guys, make sure you like the video as well. Hopefully we're going to finish off with a nice firework montage with the neighbours if the weather stays as nicely as it is. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So we've got the drone up for the firework display. So here we go. It's the first time I've ever done this, so I don't know if I'm going to. Oh shit! Oh crap!